a great choice today with the 2017 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.